Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your amazing response and appreciation. As you all know, I'm doing this quantum computing series. I'm regularly posting useful content on quantum computing related videos. In this episode, I want to speak mainly about internships. As I can see, most of the students, they have doubts like on which topic we have to do internship, where to do internship, what is the opportunity that we are going to get when we complete the internship. These are the frequent doubts I hear about. So taking that point into consideration, today I am making a video on internship opportunities in the field of quantum computing. Today's episode is all about quantum computing internships. Yesterday you have seen the scientists who work in the area of quantum computing, they got Nobel Prize also, which is the highest recognition. If you are dreaming of working with qubits, entanglement, and algorithms that could revolutionize AI, medicine, and material science, then this episode is for you. By the end of our discussion, you will know where to apply, what kind of work interns will do, how to prepare, and how to make yourself stand out in this competitive field. Quantum computing, as I already told, it may seem mysterious, right? But the truth is that it is becoming increasingly accessible, which I already covered in many episodes. It is accessible now. Many companies like IBM, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Resity, Zenando, and IonQ, as well as leading research labs around the globe, they are constantly searching for motivated, curious students who are doing their undergraduate course, that is BTech in our India. So you don't think that if I do internship, my resume will build. Okay, obviously that is the byproduct, but there is a chance for you to contribute to research, right? And you have the opportunity to work on projects. That too, you are working on projects not related to classical computing. You are gaining some extraordinary skills relevant to quantum computing. Let us start. First thing I want to speak about is the most popular opportunity, IBM Quantum. They are one of the pioneers in this area. They offer an internship program that gives students hands-on experience with QSkit. That is their own open source software development kit. As an intern, you can design quantum circuits, you can run your experiments on IBM's cloud-based quantum systems, and you can write your research papers. That will be helpful for your final year BTech project also. It will give you practical exposure. That means you will be working on real quantum devices rather than simulations alone. Simulations, okay, they are good, but here you will get to work on the real devices. But you have to be very much proficient. If you want to enter into this IBM internship program, you should be very good with Python. I think that may be taught to you in first year or second year. Generally in second year, you should learn it very nicely. You should be ready with linear algebra knowledge, and also you should have some basics of quantum mechanics. Even that is also incorporated in some curriculum. Generally, you are lucky. As per my information, these applications are opening between September and December. You have to see the notification. And if you have the portfolio, right, with some personal quantum projects, that can make you stand out. Because once the reviewers review the profile, they see your LinkedIn account, they see your GitHub account, right? These are the professionally valued accounts. Then I want to speak about Google Quantum AI. They are in Santa Barbara, right? And Munich. they are also into this quantum supremacy. As an intern at Google on developing algorithms for superconducting qubits, optimizing error correction techniques, and you will be assisting with experimental setups. You should have strong foundation in physics, mathematics, and programming. That is common. And they open their internship application in October, right? Now we are in October only. You can check it out. I will give you the links in the comment section. If you have contributed to some open source projects, or if you are having some publications on platforms like ARXIV, you can search, you can openly publish there. No need of paying money for research journals. ARXIV is the place where you can publish your own publications. That is also considered, right? And your profile will stand out significantly. Then the third thing is Microsoft Azure Quantum. They are also giving you the exciting path for your internship. There you will be engaging with the quantum development kit and Q-hash programming language. You Google search Q-hash programming language. Now onwards try to learn it. These people, they are working on simulating algorithms, integrating classical and quantum computing workloads. And also they are working on cloud-based quantum applications. Natural, because Microsoft, Amazon, Google, these are our cloud service providers. Obviously, they will do that. This work will be challenging, but if you have some initiative towards small Q-hash projects and you understand how algorithms map to hardware, then you will be the strong candidate for this particular internship program. This application also opens between November and March. There is another internship program called as Amazon Bracket Program. They combine quantum computing with the cloud. You are the intern who is given unique opportunity to optimize quantum circuits. You can run hybrid algorithms and work with multiple quantum processors through AWS. You can work with multiple quantum processors through AWS. You should have strong command of Python and familiarity with frameworks like PennyLane or TensorFlow. TensorFlow Quantum are valuable assets for you. They open their applications between the months of December to February. You keep seeing. I will give you all the links. If you have the good exposure to do the experiment, analyze the results, and present insights, that will be highly appreciated and your selection will be smooth. There are some startups. So don't startups. There are startups like Rigidity and IonQ. They give you equally strong experience. Rigidity is a strong leader in superconducting qubit technology. I already spoke about it. If you are the intern, you can directly work with quantum engineers on a range of projects, from algorithm design to cloud integration. And IonQ, this is also a startup. They are specialized in trapped ion quantum processors. And if you are the intern and getting into this, you will get exposure to system calibration, quantum optics experiments, and data analysis. Right? Even academic and research centers, including QTech in Netherlands, Pascal in France, and CERN, they also offer internships. Now it is everywhere online kind of opportunity. You can apply through online and get it in an online mode also. You have to talk to the concerned people. You have to tell them in the interview process. If they find you valuable, even though it is in abroad location, you can do it in online mode. These companies which I told just now, they make you work on real hardware and software experiments. This is all about the companies. some of the companies which give you the opportunity. But what kind of preparation you have to do? Right? If you want to be ready now, you develop a solid foundation in Python. That is the whole summary. As a student, you want to join internship in these big organizations related to quantum computing. You be strong in Python, which is the universal language for quantum programming. Start working with libraries like NumPy. I also worked on it. And Matplotlib. Matplotlib is for generating graphs and also mathematical operations. If you want to simulate basic operations and visualize results, you have to use Matplotlib. I will make one video on Python relation with quantum computing. You can check that also. If you are comfortable with Python, then you move to quantum frameworks like Qiskit, Cirq, PennyLane or QHash. You build small projects. You take small use cases. No need of doing very big research tasks. Right? Even simple ones like a quantum coin toss, teleportation circuit, or Grover search algorithm. Those things also will make you settle in this area. And don't forget about this point. You upload your projects in your GitHub or share them in blogs or social media posts, especially in LinkedIn. You create hashtags and you post it. Visibility often helps you in terms of recruiters notice. You can get, even before the official application process, you can get into your, objective. Understanding quantum mechanics fundamentals is crucial. Please note this point. Right? You have to be very good with the concepts like superposition, entanglement, quantum measurement, gate operations. For everything I have posted in LinkedIn, you can check in my LinkedIn in a simplest manner. But one thing I want to tell you here is that you don't memorize any equation. You should understand the concept, how the qubit behaves differently from a classical bit, and how information is manipulated in a quantum system. That is what I am posting every day as a Quantum Andhra series in LinkedIn. You check it if you want to follow me. Otherwise, there are so many people who are doing that. You can follow any one of them. Right? You follow resources like IBM Quantum Learning Portal. You follow Qiskit Textbook, MIT Open Courseware, quality YouTube tutorials are there. Excellent guidance, online guidance is available. You sharpen your mathematics knowledge, which is the backbone of quantum computing. Especially gain skills related to linear algebra, probability, complex numbers, vector spaces. That will be taught to you in your first year BTech also. Okay? So that will help you in understanding quantum state, circuit operations, measurement outcomes. Even if you have a basic understanding of wave functions, interference, operation in physics, will make your preparation much stronger. Once you have the foundation, you have to demonstrate the skills. That is what I was telling you. You work on projects, small projects that apply quantum computing concepts in practical way. You can create quantum machine learning models if you are interested in AI. You can simulate molecules or materials, and you can also do quantum cryptography experiments. These are all excellent options. See, you have to take some initiative. You have to show curiosity and ability to execute an idea. Present your work online, write posts about it, create short video explanations. This is going to strengthen your portfolio, and it is going to give a signal that you are interested in this field. And timing also is one of the most important factors. right? So any internship programs open 6 to 8 months before the summer start date. That is the reason why I am making this video, exact time. You apply early, follow the instructions carefully, and prepare for interviews or coding tests that can significantly improve your chances. And also I made a video on hackathons. You participate in hackathons like QHack by Xanadu or the IBM Quantum Challenge. There are so many hackathons. You participate. If you are active participant, no need of to be winner also, right? You will get good consideration for your internships. Beyond large companies, there are numerous hidden gems. You survey on them. So there is one company called as Q World. They offer online mentorship. Q World. They offer summer programs also. There is another source of opportunity called as Quantum Open Source Foundation. They try to pair student with real engineer for project based learning. You can search in Google also. That is very good thing. You are getting real time exposure with already working person. There are some academic institutions like Perimeter Institute, ETH Zurich, Oak Ridge National Laboratory. They also provide you immersive research internships. If you take India, our country, institutions like IASC, TIFR, IITs, they are giving lots of quantum programs because that is a national mission. These opportunities can give you hands-on experience and you will get lots of exposure in corporate internship. Please note this point. Finally, remember one thing. Quantum computing, fortunately, is still in starting days. It is not old. It is not decade old. This is an advantage for motivated students. Opportunities are growing faster than the pool of qualified candidates. There are less qualified candidates, but opportunities are exponential. I am making quantum computing job roadmap. You can check the opportunities that will continue. If you build a portfolio of projects, if you learn consistently and share your work publicly, then you can put your years ahead, right? As you know, yesterday only I told, every expert in this field, they started with curiosity and small experiments. And the same path is available to you, right? So if you dream of contributing to this quantum computing field, start learning Python, explore quantum frameworks, build projects, and apply confidently. These are not just opportunities, they are the gateway for your future of computing. So you subscribe to my channel, you like my video if you really like it, and do spread this particular pointers which I have told to you that makes the quantum community stronger. So on this positive note, thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Wish you happy learning. Bye bye.